What's up, guys? So, yeah, I'm outside today because it's gorgeous. And, yeah, but today I'm not doing the song. I'm going to be doing words, like everyday words. Just easy words. You know, things you'll use often. Okay. But before we start, hit that like button and subscribe button and ring the notification bell if you want to know when more videos come up. Okay, first, everyone has to know their ABCs. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G, so it's just G, H, I, and J, K, L, M, 1, 2, 3, M, N, 1, 2, O, P, upside down K, Q, upside down G, I guess, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. No. Draw a Z in the air. Perfect. That's the ABCs. Everyone has to know their numbers. Duh. So I'm going through 1 through 20. So you could do it this way or this way, doesn't really matter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shake your A. 10. Now, so 11, you have to have it like this. 11, 12, your thumb in, 12, 13, is your thumb out, thumb back in for 14, thumb back out for 15. Now 16 is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20. 1 through 20. Okay, so now some common phrases. Like, let's say, nice to meet you. So it would be nice to meet you. So, nice, meet you. Easy enough? Okay, my name is. This is where the ABCs come in handy. So, my, to use, name. My name is Sierra. So, S-I-E-R-R-A. And that's how you would say that. But if your name was something different, then it'd be my name is, let's say, Jared. Say G-A-R-E-D. I think that's how you spell Jared. I don't know. And when you're asking someone what their name is, it'd be name. Like, you gotta have your eyebrows up. So, name, question mark, name, question mark. Name? What's your name? You know, eyebrows are like just as important as signs in sign language. Okay. Next is I'm learning sign language. Because you don't want people to be like, people to think you're an expert, and then you're over here like being not all that good because you're still learning. So it's I'm learning. So if I didn't, you go learning and put it into your brain. So let's see if I can back up a little bit. Okay, so learning. I'm learning sign language. Sign language. Or you could say I'm learning ASL. ASL, which is American Sign Language. And then it's, how are you? Just a simple question. How you? You don't have to do the question mark. That's just use those eyebrows. Like, how are you? It's a really loud bug. How are you? Okay, now for some common words. So, one of the main things that's going to be the most helpful thing in the entire world with ASL is again. Because people are going to be signing and you'll be like, what? Again, please, because you don't understand it and it's going to take you a little while to get to know it, including when they're finger spelling. Finger spelling is it's really hard to get. I mean, I'm a fast finger speller. I just can't understand it when you're finger spelling to me. Okay, so again. Hand here doesn't really matter. Again. It's like, please. Again. I don't understand. Or, I don't understand. Like, shake your head like you don't understand. Or, I don't know. Because that is one sign. It's not like two different words. So it's, I don't know. Like, I don't know what you're saying, man. I don't know. No. This is, I know. And this is, I don't know. I don't know. Okay. So, home. Like, I am outside my home right now. So, home. Home. New. Like, you're learning a new sign. So, new. So put your hand like this, be like this, just put your hand there. Take this hand, you're gonna like scoop it. New. What? To be honest, this is pretty obvious. What? Make those eyebrows the most important thing in the world. Like, sometimes you don't even have to sign what, because this is not really much of a sign, but it's eyebrows. What? And your eyebrows depend on what type of what you're saying. So like, what? What? See, the facial expressions, since your facial expressions are basically your tone of voice with ASL. Like, how your face is depends on how you're saying something. Because they cannot hear what tone you're using, your face tells them everything they need to know. Thought that was pretty cool. Need. Actually, this is an X, which I found really odd, but an X is just need. I need, or have and need. Pretty much the same thing. Like, I need help. Flat hand with thumbs up. Help. I need help, please. Okay, or slower. Like, I need you to go slower because you don't understand. So it's slower. And slower. Yeah. There's love. Like, I'm pretty sure everyone knows this because, like, I don't know why, it's just something everyone knows. Love. Like, I love sign language. Okay, see if we can. I'm going to put together a couple of the words and phrases into sentences to mix everything together. I will be adding a couple of words I didn't show you, but I guess that'll be fine. It'll be shown in the video. Yeah. But, like, please show me again. I don't understand. Or, nice to meet you. My name is Sierra. I cannot spell my own name. Sierra. I'm still learning sign language. Please, slower. Or, I need to get home before I'm late. Or, hey, how are you today? I'm good. Yeah. I got a new car. Got a new car. Yeah. So, that's all for this video. I hope it was helpful. I do plan on doing more. Done these before, but they were really bad, so, you know. Okay, so make sure you guys like and subscribe and hit that notification button. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.